Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from the Frontier. I trust you had a great weekend. Chinese firm seeks 2 billion shillings after mineral deal freeze. I'm attending the mining conference in a little while. The Chinese firm Geological Exploration Technology Institute has billed the government an amount equivalent to 30% of the contract. Invoice follows the government's freezing the mapping contract and instead opting for the survey to be done by local geologists and the National Intelligence Service. Geothermal energy will boost Kenya's industrialization bid, says KenGen's Rebecca Miano in the Business Daily. Talking about the president's Big Four agenda, the plan is focused on creating 1.3 million manufacturing jobs by 2022, achieving 100% health coverage, expanding food production, and building 500,000 affordable homes for Kenyans. In order for Kenya to deliver on the Big Four agenda, there is a need to have in place affordable and reliable energy. KenGen, the country's leading energy producer, has already plugged into this agenda and is undertaking projects with a total capacity of 720 megawatts to be completed by 2020. Within the next 10 years, the company intends to add an additional 2,569 megawatts to the national grid, which will comprise 2,029 megawatts of geothermal, 410 megawatts of wind power, 90 megawatts of hydropower, and 40 megawatts of solar photovoltaic power. Falling technological costs, ambitious targets, resource abundance, a pipeline of high-quality projects and support of international donor partners are driving the rollout of renewable power in Africa. Latest Renewables 2018 Global Status Report places Kenya among the countries with the largest amount of geothermal power generating capacity, listing it alongside the United States, Philippines, Indonesia, Turkey, New Zealand, Mexico, Italy, Iceland, and Japan. KenGen share price closed at 7.20, price earnings ratio of 6, and they're paying a dividend after a bit of a dividend drought. Have a look at the interview I did with Mrs. Rebecca Miano after those results. During last week, the shilling depreciated by 0.1% against the dollar to close at 101.9. It's up 1.3% year to date. The Nairobi all-share is down 14.1% year to date. The NSE 20 is down 23.7% year to date. NSE 25 is down 14.9% year to date. Nairobi all-share, as I said, minus 14.1%. The NSE is trading at a P/E ratio of 11.6 and a dividend yield of 4.9%. Catalyst raised a further $155 million, and they focus on emerging and mid-sized companies with strong growth and profitability prospects. If you ever wanted to know and understand the meaning of carrier call, see here via It's a Mad World. So grateful to Prince William, Royal Patron of Tusk, for hosting a conversation roundtable discussion today at Buckingham Palace with some key thought leaders about the big challenges ahead. The Eurobond, Kenya's Eurobond, closed the long-dated one at 9.2%. Anything above 10 is going to be an interesting buy, I venture. Once again, thank you for stopping by.